If you're a MacBook user and also a MetaQuest 2 user, you might be wondering what's the quickest way that you can transfer videos and photos from your MetaQuest 2 onto your MacBook. In this video, I'm going to share with you just that. Check it out. The first thing that you will need to do is download the Android file transfer application onto your MacBook. Once you have successfully downloaded the Android transfer application onto your MacBook, all you need to do is get your USB-C cable, plug it into your MetaQuest 2 headset, and then plug it directly into your MacBook. The next thing you will need to do is click Allow so that your computer will now have access to your MetaQuest 2 headset. Open up the Android transfer application, select Oculus, and then select Videos, and find the video that you have just recorded. Once you have found the video you recorded, simply drag it onto your computer and hit play. And that's all. I'm going to end this video with me on the moon. Thank you for watching.